What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and thanks so much for clicking on my YouTube memberships tab. Not exactly sure what that is. Don't worry, I'm going to explain it here real quick. Whether you are brand new to my channel or you've been around for a really long time, if you'd like the option to publicly display your dedication and support for my channel, I have set up a very inexpensive membership plan that allows access to unique badges that actually change color over time depending on how long you've been a part of the membership plan. The badges will display right beside your name in the comments section, which is awesome because it helps me and everybody else who's in the comments section identify you as a member and exactly how long you've been a member. They also show up in live streams, which is really, really cool. For example, here, once you become a new member, this is the badge that will display right beside your name in the comment section in live streams. This is my Metal Knight helmet badge, gray, blue, and silver. We've all seen this one. But after a month, it'll actually change to green, letting everybody know that you've become an elite knight. After 3 months, it'll change to purple. You'll become an epic knight. After 6 months in the program, you'll become a revered knight. It'll change to red. And after an entire year in the program, it'll change to gold and you'll become a legendary knight. This is really, really cool. I'm really excited about this. I hope you guys like, the colors and things. This was really fun for me to create. Also, you'll gain access to some unique emojis that you can use in live streams. This is important because, for the people who are actively supporting me, sometimes comments get lost or they get, sort of buried by all the activity in a live stream. Well, when you're a member, you've got these 4 unique emojis, and more will be coming in the future, that kind of allow you to stand out a little bit and interact with me in a little bit easier, right? We've got the Metal Complex logo, we've got the Silent Knight Visage, we've got the Metal Complex alternative logo, and then of course Excalibur. Wouldn't be complete without Excalibur. Hope you guys are excited about this. If you do decide to become a member, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate everybody's involvement with this channel, and this has just been a lot of fun. So anyways, thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.